Hi everyone, Alexandra here with MDPen. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's live video. Today I'll be talking about gentle infusion for the eye and lip area when it comes to microneedling. So when it comes to treating the eyes and lips, these are areas with a lot of concerns. People definitely want to do things to focus and target these areas. And typically with regular restore microneedling, sometimes there are concerns about the harshness of the treatment and how close you can get to these areas. So for those of you that don't know, MDPen also has a needle cartridge called Refine. And this is our 160 needle nano needle cartridge. This treatment, Refine microneedling or nano needling, does not require numbing. And you can basically go over the entire lip area in its entirety, as well as the eye area. And I'm going to kind of give you guys an idea of that on my lovely mannequin here, just to show you, since I don't have a live model here today, and talk about some of the serums you can use. One reason to use Refine microneedling is for product absorption. So I also want to go over that and basically the products you would use at the time of this treatment. One thing to keep in mind with nano needling is you do have a lot more options of products you can use while needling, and you can definitely apply a mask during this treatment. With Refine needling, it only goes up to a max depth of 0.5, and it's not the same type of depth and collagen induction as the Restore needles. Again, you do not need to numb for this treatment at all. And it's also a safe treatment for some people that may have contraindications to regular type of microneedling, because again, you're not treating the skin in the same way. Also, this treatment really plumps up the skin. It draws up hydration. And again, it's going to help with product absorption. There's no downtime. You do not look red leaving the office, maybe a little pink, but you look amazing day of treatment. And this is also going to be a great treatment if you have an upcoming event or something like this. I call it like a red carpet facial. It's a quick, even like lunchtime procedure. Since you don't need the numbing, I mean, you can make this treatment as quicker as long as you want to. If you want to make it on the longer, more luxurious side, obviously add a mask. You could do a mask for the chest, a separate mask for the lips and the eyes, and a full face mask. You can add an LED light treatment. I would put this on your spa menu if you are a professional, or if you're someone that's interested in having this done as a patient. You can definitely reach out to MDPen and we can help you find a professional in your area that could be offering this treatment. I do see some questions coming in. Okay, great. Hi, Alex. Is microneedling your lips a safe alternative to lip injections? So the short answer is yes, it's a completely safe treatment. The other answer is, so in some cases, I won't say it's going to replace lip filler, but I have had patients that just want to rejuvenate their lips, that have some wrinkling on their lips. Perhaps they have lost some volume in their lips due to age, and they don't necessarily want to do the filler route, and they once had full lips. If you're someone with thin lips that is looking for a noticeable difference as far as like plumping, then you may want, to talk to your provider about going the lip filler route. However, if you just want to restore, rejuvenate, this is going to be a great treatment, and I have seen wonderful results with it. You can by all means use regular microneedling on the lips. I prefer to stamp if I'm going to treat the lip area with the Restore needle. With the Refine, you're a little bit more capable of gliding and tracing over the full area. So I'm talking like, the actual lips, as well as, the vermilion border. You can stamp there, give it a little lift, columella area, all the way, the whole thing. And then, of course, with the Restore cartridge, you would be numbing the lips. And in this case, I would typically stamp over the lip area. And that's going to be more of a resource if you're actually trying to, build that collagen on the lips. I think I just answered this one. It's the full area. So top lip, bottom lip, philtrum, columella, the whole thing. absolutely you can treat it. All right, so what results can the refined microneedling area give my eyes, and how many treatments for visible results? You'll have visible results from the very first treatment. Again, this is going to help plump up the skin, draw up hydration, help with you looking tired. You can definitely use our Tighten and Lift serum while needling this area. This is going to have that little bit of nice lactic acid, the green tea, the oat kernel for inflammation. With lower lids, usually I'll pull down taut with gloves, of course, on this area, and you can get, a little bit closer. With refined needle, the nano needle, you can get much closer to that upper eyelid than I would, or you should, with the Restore needle. And of course, the entire brow bone area, the crow's feet, giving some plumping to that area as well. As far as what to use while microneedling the lips, guys, I just like to use our Pure HA. It's so pure. It only has 5 ingredients. It's not the end of the world if your patient ingest this product. So very safe. I would just stick to that. You could technically do the cellular renewal too. It's red algae, seaweed, aloe, HA, not harmful to ingest if you did. Let's see here. Another eye question. Good morning, Alex. How do I know when it's time to add eye cream to my routine? So you can add eye cream as early as you want, as early as 25. I would say if you are adding a growth factor at a young age like that preventatively, unless you have very dark circles, just stick to using our Human Dry Growth Factor gel. This is safe to use on the eyes, the upper eyelids, the brow bone, the whole area. And really in the evening for your eyes, this would be all that you needed. Of course, your retinol can be used up into the infraorbital area and everything like that. But you can definitely start very young. Of course, if you're starting to see things like dark circles, a lot of puffiness, a lot of creepy fine lines, obviously you want to use eye cream. And if you're making this investment, in procedures that are helping with product absorption, why not use amazing products? Great question here. Hi, Alex. How often should I moisturize my lips after microneedling? So, really just like the face day of, I would apply the Pure HA serum a couple times. With lips, if you have a preference for Aquaphor or some other lip product, you're welcome to use that, something a little bit more emollient if you'd like. Don't forget, guys, there is that promo code there. That link will take you straight to the shop if you'd like to shop our store for skincare, and definitely check that out. Oh, interesting question. Can you combine lip fillers and microneedling for lip rejuvenation? So this is at the discretion of your injector. I would talk to them. Typically with fresh filler, you're not going to go anywhere near that area for 2 weeks at least. And to be quite honest, you're not going to need this if you've had lip filler. If you don't plan on getting lip filler again, and you want to rejuvenate your results or something like that. But if you've had, fresh lip filler, you're good to go, in my opinion. That's like asking, if you need to tint your brows after a microblading treatment. No, you don't. You should be good to go. Your professional should have that handled. So again, guys, just to give a little recap, this is our refined nano needling, and it's done to the whole face, but I wanted to focus today on lips and eyes because you can really target these sensitive areas. And again, you can get much closer than you can with regular microneedling. For those of you that do regular microneedling, you also can upsell the treatment a bit and, open a refined needle during the treatment. They're nice and numb, and if you want to just go in with the refine, you can do a single pass of it really over the whole face after you've done Restore. If you want to do that, you can needle on the full face with the pure hyaluronic acid combined with the growth factor gel. This is also a very nice result, very nice treatment. And again, going over the entire lips, the eye area, this is going to give you a really lovely result. I'm not seeing any more questions, guys. I hope you're enjoying this content. I don't think we necessarily talk about nano needling a lot on our channel, so I wanted to, remind you that we have this excellent refined needle. Restore is the regular microneedling, refine is the nano needling, and you can definitely check it out if you haven't already. Again, this is no downtime, look gorgeous leaving the office, plump, dewy, hydrated skin, safe for some people that have contraindications for regular microneedling. So like someone who's pregnant, this is a lovely facial you could do on them. Someone who's breastfeeding, again, you could do this one, and then other slight contraindications. So thank you guys so much and see you later. Bye.